Hi everybody, this is Emily with the NetZoom team here to talk to you about managing your business services. A data center represents IT and facility devices as well as the applications that run on them. The primary objective of a data center is to provide services to the company and its customer base. Business service management is the process of managing overall business objectives with IT objectives. NetZoom supports the modeling and linking of business services, application services with your data center's hardware and software. You can link logical business and application services with the hardware on your floor that the services depend on. First, let's log into NetZoom. Enter your NetZoom application server URL in the web browser. Then enter your username and password. By modeling business services in NetZoom, we can easily see not only what devices are impacted by a shutdown event, but also its business and application services. Let's navigate to the Impact Analysis feature to take a look. Click on the Data Center menu and select Impact Analysis from the Data Center tab. NetZoom allows you to not only model your business and application services in a hierarchy, but also assign physical, virtual, and cloud servers to those services. So in the event of a device shutdown, you'll not only be able to tell what other devices are affected, but also what aspects of your business are impacted. Through business services, NetZoom gives you an unparalleled visibility onto how your business is being impacted. Let's take this rack A101 for example. Click it and select the Business Services Quick Action. As you can see, a map of all the business services that are impacted by the rack and its devices appears. The services highlighted in red are directly impacted. You can also see business services in alerts. If a device that participates in a business service causes an alert to be raised, other alerts can be raised and escalated for the associated business services. Now that we've seen what business services can do, let's model our own. We can model our business services using the Design feature. This is found under the IT menu in the Business Services tab. To create a new business service, we can click on the top level of the Business Services pane and click the Add Business Service icon here. A blank form will appear in the Details pane. Fill out the form as needed. And click the Save button when you're finished. As you can see, the new business service has been added to the list. Now that we've created a business service, let's create an application service to go along with it. Application services and even other business services can be nested within business services in order to create a hierarchy of dependencies like the one you see here. So, for example, we'll select our existing business service and click the Add Application Service here. A similar form will pop up and we will fill it out similarly. Remember that only other application services can be nested within an application service. Now that we've modeled our business and application services, let's associate a server with this service. This can be done using the quick action Show Application Servers. Click this quick action and an Infrastructure Explorer will appear showing your data center infrastructure. This feature allows you to search physical, virtual, and cloud servers and associate them with your business services. This lets NetZoom know which services are impacted in the events of a device shutdown scenario. For now, let's associate this server with our application service. Click and drag the server to the service you want to associate it with. You can add additional device types, such as workstations, to business services using the Enterprise Settings feature in Administration. You can also look at virtual or cloud servers by selecting the category here. Let's add one of those to our other application service. We can see a hierarchy map of our business services using the Business Services feature. Just click the feature and select the service you want to see a hierarchy of. Then click the Preview Quick Action. You can also use this quick action in the Design feature. Click on a box to collapse or expand that section of the hierarchy. That covers the basics of mapping business services in NetZoom. Please check out our other videos for more tips on how to use the NetZoom product. And if you're interested in trying out NetZoom for your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo.